What if I told you that 5 things you're buying right now, things you think are normal, are quietly stealing $50,000 from you over the next 10 years? Not expensive things, not luxuries. Just 5 everyday purchases that add up to financial devastation. Number 1, coffee and lunch out. $5 for coffee, $12 for lunch. Every workday, that's $85 a week. Doesn't sound like much, right? Over 10 years, that's $44,000. Just coffee and lunch. Make coffee at home. Meal prep on Sundays. Boom, you just saved enough for a down payment on a house. Number 2, streaming services you don't watch. Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Spotify, that gym app you used twice. $15 here, $20 there. Most people have 6 to 8 subscriptions they barely use. That's $100 a month. Over 10 years? $12,000. Cancel what you don't use. Right now, today. Number 3, brand new cars. Here's the thing about new cars, they lose 20% of their value the second you drive off the lot. Buy a 3-year-old certified used car instead. You'll save $15,000 to $20,000 immediately, plus lower insurance and registration costs. That decision alone is worth $30,000 over 10 years when you factor in the investment growth of that money. Number 4, impulse purchases under $20. A candle here, a gadget there. Some random thing on Amazon at $2.m. These small purchases are deadly because they don't feel significant. But if you're spending just $50 a week on random stuff you don't need, that's $26,000 over 10 years. Number 5, paying interest instead of earning it. Credit card interest, car loans with terrible rates. Paying minimums instead of attacking debt. The average American pays over $1,000 per year in credit card interest alone. Over 10 years, that's $10,000, but it's actually worse because that's $10,000 you could have invested and turned into $18,000. So let's add it up. Coffee and lunch, $44,000. Unused subscriptions, $12,000. New car versus used, $30,000. Impulse buys, $26,000. Interest payments, $10,000. That's $122,000. But we said $50,000, right? Here's why. You don't have to cut a LL of these. Cut just 3 of the 5 and you're at $50,000 over 10 years. 5 things, $0 spent. $50,000 saved. The question is, are you willing to make the change? Your future self is begging you to say yes.